A Bike Thing Installation Centres, we're coming to you. For the last few years, if you wanted a Bike Thing installation, you came here to us. South Derbyshire, our workshop, our bench, our team. And honestly, that worked until it didn't, because we've had people riding 3, 4, 5 hours for a fitting, which is brilliant, genuinely, thank you so much. But it's a bit mad, isn't it? So we fixed it. Look, we've always been very clear about one thing. The fitting matters as much as the product. Anyone can sell you a set of Denali lights. Anyone can put them in a box and post them out to you. What we do differently is the installation. The quality of the work, the care that goes into it. The fact that when you hand us the keys to your bike, you know it's coming back better than it left. And to be quite honest, that is the Bike Thing standard. And for a long time, delivering that standard meant one location. Our location, our team. But we kept getting the same messages over and over. Steve, love what you do, wish I was closer. Any chance of getting anything down here in the south? Steve, I'm in Wales, is it really worth the ride? And the honest answer was we couldn't give people a proper answer, because expanding the network isn't something you do quickly or carelessly. The whole point of what we built here at HQ is that it's a genuinely high standard, a white glove service. And if we put our name on any installation happening anywhere else in the country, those installations have to meet the same bar. So that's exactly what I did. I spent the time finding the right workshops, personally vetting all of them, training them, bringing them up to our standard, and then, and only then, certifying them as part of the ABT network. Right, so where can you get us now? We're live and taking bookings at 4 separate locations right now. A Bike Thing HQ, South Derbyshire, that's us, the original, still here. Still the same team, the same workshop. If you're in the Midlands, this is your home. Hampshire, New Forest area, South Coast covered. If you're anywhere from Bournemouth to Southampton to Portsmouth, that's now an ABT certified workshop within proper reach. Surrey, Guildford, for everyone in and around London and the South East, big concentration of riders in that part of the world, and it was well overdue. And on that note, I'm actually originally from Surrey as well. A lot of you didn't know that. I moved up here when I was a teenager. Many moons ago, I used to talk a bit like that. I did. All right, Steve, how you doing, mate? Wow. Yeah, and I've still got a family down there who talk like that right now, and they think I sound a bit posh. But I don't know, this is just the accent I've got now. Anyway, then moving on, we've got Kent, the Canterbury area, right at the bottom of the map. If you're heading over to Europe or you're based in the Garden of England, you're sorted. But we've also got 2 more coming very soon. Lancashire, the Ribble Valley area, north of England, not long now. And then we've got South Wales, the Swansea area, so Wales will be covered too. So those locations are on the website right now. You can see them, and you can see the Swansea and the Lancashire one coming soon. We're also talking to people or someone in Ireland, so there will be one coming there towards the back end of the year. And we've also got someone in the Isle of Man as well. So watch out for those coming to the website very soon. Now, I know what the next question is. What workshop is it in my area, Steve? Who are they? And here's the thing. We're not telling you just yet. Not because it's a secret for the sake of it, but because we want your booking to be based on the Bike Thing standard, not who the partner workshop happens to be. When you book us, you get us. You get the products, the expertise, and the after-sales support that we've always provided. The workshop is there to deliver the fitting on our behalf, but we manage the whole thing from start to finish. Once you're booked in, you'll get everything you need, but we're not putting a name out there for people to just show up without going through the proper process. Which, now that I mention it, let's talk about how that works. Okay, this is straightforward, genuinely. Head to abikething.com, fitting page is right there in the navigation. You'll see live availability for each location real time, updated as slots get booked. Grey means available, blue means it's booked. You can see exactly when your nearest location has space. To actually secure a slot, here's the process. Add the products you want fitting to your basket. At checkout, instead of selecting shipping, select installation. Complete your order. You'll get a confirmation email with a link to pick your date. So just to reiterate, you can't select the date on the website. That link in that confirmation email takes you to almost like a mirror version of the calendar that's on the website, but it's an interactive version of it, one that you can actually select the date and put your details on that form. That's it. That is the whole thing. The reason we do it that way, and I think it's worth explaining, is that we only want confirmed customers locking in those dates. If you could just choose a slot without completing an order, you'd end up with dates that look available but aren't, and people turning up without products confirmed. This way, everyone's time is protected, yours and ours. If you want a quote before you commit, just get in touch with us. The team here will sort you out, team@bitething.com, or through the contact page. So let's talk about the promise, what ABT Certified actually means. I'll give you a quick word on this because it really does matter. ABT Certified isn't just a badge we stuck on a friendly workshop and called it a day. Every certified location in our network has been vetted by me. The fitters have been trained to a standard. The workshops are commercial premises. The workshops have their own business liability insurance. That was very important to me. It's not someone we just know down the pub who can fit lights on a bike on the side of their house. These are proper professional outfits. The products are ours. You're not getting something sourced locally and fitted by someone who's never touched it before. You're getting a Bike Thing products installed by a team that understands them, but with our after-sales support behind it. If something isn't quite right after the fitting, we deal with it, not the workshop, us. Because your bike, well, it's your bike. You trust us with it. That doesn't change depending on which postcode the workshop happens to be in. That's the whole point of building this network properly rather than quickly. We could have added 10 locations in 6 months, but we didn't because the standard matters more than the speed. Right, that's the news. 4 locations are here right now, 2 more on the way and possibly another 2 towards the end of the year. More to follow. And we'll announce them here on the channel as they come online. So make sure you're subscribed and you've got notifications set to on so you don't miss it. And if you've got questions, the usual, comments down below or drop us an email, team@bitething.com. We read them all, comments and emails. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments at bitething.com. Head to the fitting page, check the availability for your area and get yourself booked in. New videos every Sunday, guys and girls. Stay safe behind bars, not these bars, and I'll see you in the next video.